Understanding mint sauce recipe in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific yet interesting English phrase, mint sauce recipe. This phrase is not just about food, but it's also a great example of how English combines words to form meaningful expressions. Whether you're a food enthusiast or an English language learner, this video will help you understand and use this phrase effectively. Let's dive in. Mint sauce recipe is a three-word phrase that might seem simple, but it's packed with meaning. Let's break it down. Mint. This is a type of herb known for its fresh, aromatic flavor. It's used in various cuisines worldwide. Sauce. This refers to a liquid or semi-liquid substance served with food to add moisture and flavor. Recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of the ingredients needed. When combined, mint sauce recipe refers to the instructions or method for making a sauce that primarily uses mint as a key ingredient. Understanding the context in which a phrase is used is crucial. The phrase, mint sauce recipe, is often used in culinary contexts. You might find it in cookbooks, cooking websites, or even in a conversation about preparing a meal. It's important to note that this phrase is quite specific and may not be widely used in everyday English conversation unless discussing cooking or recipes. Mint sauce is particularly popular in British cuisine, often served with lamb dishes. Knowing this, the phrase can also offer a glimpse into cultural cooking practices. When you come across this phrase, it's not just about the words but also about the cultural context of food and traditions. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are some example sentences. Can you share your mint sauce recipe? I loved it with the roasted lamb. I'm looking for a simple mint sauce recipe for tonight's dinner. This cookbook has an entire section dedicated to various mint sauce recipes. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, mint sauce recipe, and how it's used in English. Remember, learning a language is not just about words but also about culture, context, and practical usage. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.